Good morning. So it's Saturday morning. I'm still in my pajamas. But I wanted to share with you the protein coffee that I was telling you about. Sorry about the angle of the camera. I was trying to find the best way to do this. I don't know. So I've already heated up my water in this cup. I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then I'm going to pour a little less than half in this one because when you mix it, it can spill out. So I'm going to pour. Okay, so now there's a little bit of hot water in there. And like I said, I'm very simple. So I'm just using Folgers Instant. And I put 1 teaspoon of Folgers Instant. And then I have my milk frother. I did get that free one from Phorm, but this one I got from my mom, and they typically last about a year. So I'm going to save the other one because this one will give out. So I'm just going to mix it a little bit. There's like not even milk in there and it's already frothing up. I don't know if y'all can see that. Or milk creamer or whatever. I'm still tired. So I heard about this one from Natalie Bennett. It's the Chobani Coffee Creamer. I love watching her channel and she made it sound so good. I was like, I'm going to order it because there's nothing artificial. It's just milk, cream, sugar, and flavor, natural flavors. So, like I said, I'm not big on pumpkin spice, but when I heard her talk about it, I'm like, okay, I have to try it. And so I bought it and I tried it once and I really do like it. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of this. It is 30 calories. So you have to be careful with creamer. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but if you watch, like, that's really not a lot. Most people I see that use creamer use a lot more than that, and the calories add up really quickly. So I just use 1 tablespoon. And then I have my level 1 pumpkin spice. And for mine, I just use half a scoop. That might be a little more than half a scoop. But I use about half a scoop. Half a scoop is about 75 calories. And then I'm just going to use the milk frother, mix in the creamer, let it cool down a little bit, and then just add in the protein powder. And I think, like I mentioned before, this protein powder, it mixes in so quickly, so easily. There's no lumps, no chunks, and it's not chalky. And then I'm just going to continue to mix. I always spill. I usually do this over the sink. I guess I could use my... Yeah, I'm making a mess. And just continue to add it in. And there you go. As you can see, it has a very frothy top on it. And bon appetit. It's really yummy. I really like the way that it comes out. I'm kind of, I don't know, different. I like to actually drink my coffee from the spoon. I have no idea why I do that. I was at work one day and I was doing that and my coworker was like, "Oh, what are you eating?" And I'm like, my coffee." She's like, "You're weird." So anyway, good morning. Happy Saturday. I think I'm just going to relax and watch a movie or something because I really don't feel like doing anything today. I feel like I've had a really busy week. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will give it a try. Have a beautifully blessed day.